Now, did you ever want to run Android apps on your PC but couldn't because the emulator was too slow? Now that's about to change with the introduction of Windows Subsystem for Android, and we are going to see how to install that today in this episode of the Code Draw. So let's get started. So first things first, there are a few things which you need to enable for Windows Subsystem for Android to work. And to do that, you just have to go to Start menu and search for Features, and you'll have this Turn Windows Features on or off option. You just have to click on that, and a dialog box will appear with a list of features which you might need to click or unclick depending on what your status is. So first of all, you might need to enable Windows Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform, and Windows Subsystem for Linux. These are the three things which need to be enabled to run Windows Subsystem for Android. And click on OK. And once you do that, it will install all the required features and it will prompt you to reboot your computer. So please make sure you reboot your computer because that's required. Now this was the first step, and moving on, you might need to visit this website. I'll link it in the description below, and this is going to be the place where we are going to download the package of our Windows subsystem for Android. So first of all, you need to select this drop down and go to product ID, set it as product ID, and then paste in your product ID, which again I'll provide in the description. Just paste it here and select this checkbox and make it a slow thingy instead of RP. Now what you want to do next is you want to click on this tick button, which will generate a list of different packages which you can download, and here it is. Now there are lots of names you can see. You don't need to care about anything. We just need to hide this ad, go to the bottom of the page, and you can see there is a file which is 1.2 GBs of size. You want to download this package, just remember, go to the bottom of the page and download the largest file, which is of 1.21 GB. You don't have to do anything, you just click on this and the download starts. Now I've already downloaded this and moved it to a different folder to make the next step easier. So we're just going to follow that from there. So this is the place where I've downloaded my package, and you can see there are many files which we might need. So what you want to do is you want to click on this MSIX bundle, and I have renamed it to WSA. Initially it was something which you might be downloading now. So just right click on this and copy as path because that's going to be important. Now what you want to do next is you want to go to start menu and search for PowerShell. And you have to run this as administrator, so just search for PowerShell and click on run as administrator to run it in admin mode because we need to install an loose package, so you need admin permissions for that. Now this is the PowerShell window, and what you want to do is you want to enter your command, which is add-apex package, and then you want to paste the path which you copied. Just remember, right click on the package and click on copy as path, then paste this path here using right click. Just press right click and it will be pasted. I'll just remove that once and then press enter. It will start installation of this package, and that is it. Once this installation finishes, we'll have our Windows subsystem for Android installed in our system. This is really simpler. This is really a simple process, and it performs, and it's easier than installing most of your emulators, which take time to install and generally won't give you as much high performance as you might get from a native app running on a system. So go to start and you can see Windows subsystem for Android has been added. Just click on that and you'll be greeted with this window where you can set a few things which you might need to. What you want to do is, first of all, I would say set it as continuous subsystem resources. If you're planning to open more than one app, or you might just want to switch between apps faster, because when you set it to continuous, it will not reboot every time whenever you want to start a new app. So just set it as continuous if you're going to use more apps, more number of apps, or may need to switch between apps, that kind of stuff. Or you can set it as needed if you're just going to run one app maybe and you don't want to multitask, something like that. For me, I'll just set it as continuous. Next, you want to enable developer mode because that's going to give you access to ADB using which you can install new APKs. So just sideload APKs. So just click on manage developer settings, and this is the window which will open. I'll just make it bigger, and you want to go down and enable USB debugging. So for me, it's already enabled. I think it might just be enabled for you also because you just turned on developer mode. So that might just do it, and you don't have to do anything else here, I guess. And then just close this window. This is the IP address of your device, of your virtual device, I would say, which is running this Windows subscription for Android. And you'll need that if you want to sideload apps. So this was how you can install Windows subsystem for Android on your Windows 11 PC. And that's going to be end of this video. And if you want me to make another video on how we can install or maybe sideload APKs on your Windows subsystem for Android, or maybe you want to run Play Store on your PC, which is really complex, by the way. I'll make another video on that, and I hope you like this video. If yes, just share it with everyone else and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next episode of the Code Drop. Bye for now.